We have to create a table for devices today. So first I will take input device and then I will take output device. Here I have to write two names of input devices. And two names of output devices. And now I'm going to merge the cells. I have to merge these three cells. Then I have to merge these two cells. Then I have to merge these two cells also. Okay, and here I will insert the images. So we have to create this type of table today in which we have to insert the images of all the devices. And here in this table, we have merged the cells also. So first, in the first row, we have to merge 1, 2, and 3. Three columns we have to merge. So we will start now. HTML, head, title, images, image in table. Now close title tag, close head tag, body, bg color equals to this is an image for all possible coloring schemes which we can insert inside a table. So I am taking this violet. Then we will start with the table tag. Table bg color equals to yellow. Border equals to 4. Border color equals to purple. Then I'm using cell padding attribute, not cell spacing, because I don't want to give the space between two different cells. I just wanted to give the space between the content of the cell and the border of the cell. So I will use an attribute cell padding equals to 20 and width equals to 10, sorry, 500. Next is now we are starting the first row. So in the first row, we have to merge three different cells. So in the TH, because this is a heading also, so instead of TD, we will use TH tag. And here we will write, because we have to merge columns, so we will write col span equals to 3. Then you will write whatever the content you want to write. Devices, close, TH tag. Now first row is complete, so we will close the TR tag. Now second row. In the second row, we have to, in the first cell of the second row, we have to merge two rows. And third and, second and third cell is normal cell. So we will start with TD, row span equals to 2. Input devices, close TD. Now second cell, keyboard, and third cell. No, sorry. In the third cell, we have to insert the image of keyboard. So for that, I will start img tag. Img src equals to name of the image. First, we will search the image, then we will insert. So right now, I'm leaving the space, and then height, width, and then close td tag. And first row is complete, so we will close tr tag. Now I'm going to copy this code and paste it in the third row. In the third row, this cell is already created. We have to insert only these two cells. So we have to remove this line, and here we have to change it to mouse. Image we have to search. So again, we will copy this code for the next row, paste it, and this will become output devices. This will become monitor. And now I'm going to copy this code for the next row, paste, and do the changes. Okay, so the table is complete now. So I'm going to close the table tag. Then I will also place it in the center. So I will close center tag, body tag, and HTML tag. And we have not opened the center tag, so we will open it after the body. Okay, save it. Okay, now we have to search for the images of keyboard, mouse, monitor, and speaker, and then we will insert. So I'm inserting PNG images only. Let us check this one. So it's a PNG image because the checkboxes is coming in the background. So we will save it. But make sure if the checkboxes are coming before downloading, before completely opening the image, then it's not a PNG image. We have to save it in class 8 HTML folder. Okay, next is we have to search for mouse now. So if you will open this type of mouse where checkboxes are coming already, so this is not a PNG image. So you need to open the image first and after the image will completely open, then only if you are able to see the checkboxes, then only it is a PNG image. Save image. Mouse. Next is monitor. Last is speaker. No checkboxes are coming. It means it's a JPG image, not a PNG image. Okay, let us edit the coding now. First is keyboard dot png. Second is mouse dot png. Third is monitor dot png, and the fourth one is speaker dot png. Save and check. Okay, so this is the page. We'll open it with Google Chrome. Okay, so the table is coming with all the images inside the table. I hope it is clear to everyone now how to insert the image inside the table. We have not done anything extra except instead of writing the word, we have inserted the image tag inside the TD tag.